Thank you for listening to us and welcome to Better Prevention. We are going to understand what is arthritis, the causes or the risk factors of arthritis, foods that can prevent, manage, and lessen the symptoms of arthritis, the signs and symptoms of arthritis, foods that worsen the signs and symptoms of arthritis and should be reduced or avoided, and other ways that can help in preventing and managing arthritis apart from food. Arthritis is a condition that causes swelling, pain, and tenderness of either one or more of our joints. Arthritis worsens with age, and its common signs and symptoms include joint pains, swelling around the joints, stiffness, redness of the skin over the joints, warm skin over the joints, and reduced range of motion or reduced range of movement, among other signs and symptoms. The common types of arthritis include osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis affects the cartilage by breaking it down, or sometimes it affects the entire joint. While rheumatoid arthritis is a type of arthritis where the immune system attacks the joints, and the attack begins with the lining of the joints. Below are the risk factors or the causes of arthritis. 1. Obesity. Overweight or excess weight stresses the joints, mostly the knees, the spine, the hips, among other joints of the body. Obesity or overweight increases the risk of developing arthritis. Number 2, joint injury. An injury to the joints increases the risk of developing arthritis, and so we should protect our joints. Number 3, infections. Bacterial or virus infections to the joints increases the risk of developing arthritis. Number 4, occupation. Daily work that involve repetitive knee bending or squatting increases the risk of developing arthritis. Number 5, smoking. Smoking increases the risk of developing arthritis. Number 6, family history or genes. If your parents or your blood relatives have developed or are suffering from arthritis, the chances of developing arthritis are very high. Number 7, age. The risk of suffering from arthritis increases with age, and as we age, we should get information or learn the ways of eating well and changing our lifestyle so that we are able to prevent the chances of developing arthritis. Number 8, sex or gender. Some types of arthritis mostly develop in females and others develop in males. Number 9, medical conditions such as lupus. Lupus is a long-time autoimmune disease where the body's immune system become hyperactive and attack the normal and healthy tissues of the body. The symptoms of lupus include inflammation, swelling, damage to the joints, the skin, the blood, the heart, the kidneys, and the lungs. The following are the foods that can assist in preventing, managing, and lessening the symptoms of arthritis. Number 1, berries. Berries include blueberries, raspberries, red berries, among other berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants including anthocyanins, carotenoids, Ascorbic acid. This is a form of vitamin C and other types of vitamins, minerals, among other nutrients. These compounds fight and reduce free radicals that promote inflammation and therefore lessen the symptoms of arthritis. The antioxidants improve the health of the blood vessels, health of the body organs such as the liver, the kidneys, the heart, among other body organs. Berries can be taken raw, that is, you chew them raw, or you can blend them into a juice. Number 2, galc. Galc has sulfur compounds of allicin. It has phytochemicals including saponins, S-alcistein, flavonoids, inulin, among other phytochemicals which are able to prevent inflammation in the body and therefore lessening the symptoms of arthritis. The antioxidants in galc is able to improve the health of the body organs such as the heart, the kidney, among other body organs. They are able to prevent non-communicable diseases such as hypertension. Galc is able to prevent the production of angiotensin II. This is a compound that narrows the blood vessels, that is the arteries, and therefore increasing our blood pressure. Galc is able to improve or increase the production of hydrogen sulfide and nitric oxide, the compounds which are able to relax and widen the blood vessels and therefore normalizing our blood pressure. The phytochemicals in galc are able to fight and reduce free radicals in the body that can lead to inflammation and therefore preventing and managing some cancers, preventing heart and kidney diseases among other non-communicable diseases. How should we eat galc? Galc should be eaten raw. We should be chewing or we blend it into a juice or we mix it with other vegetables and fruits and make a salad. Sometimes we should be cooking galc. When galc is eaten raw, we provide the body with most of its nutrients which are helpful in preventing, managing, and controlling most of these non-communicable diseases, and therefore we should prefer eating raw galc than cooked galc. Number 3, cruciferous vegetables, which include cabbage, broccoli, spinach, kale, cauliflower, among other cruciferous vegetables. They have different antioxidants including lutein, sulforaphane, vitamins, minerals such as potassium, magnesium, among others. These antioxidants are able to fight and reduce inflammation in the body and therefore preventing and reducing or lessening the symptoms of arthritis. The antioxidants improve the health of the body organs including the heart, the kidneys, the blood vessels, among other parts of the body. This improves the overall health of the body and therefore preventing most of the non-communicable diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, among other non-communicable diseases. The vegetables can be taken raw, they can be cooked, or they can be blended into a juice. We should be taking most of these vegetables when blended or when used as salad. This is when we provide the body with most of their nutrients which can help in preventing these diseases. Number 4, carrots. Carrots contain phenolic compounds such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and different antioxidants including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, biotin, pantothenic acid, folate, molybdenum, among other nutrients. These antioxidants are able to reduce inflammation in the body and therefore lessening the symptoms of arthritis. They reduce and fight free radicals in the body which may lead to inflammation in the body. They prevent and control non-communicable diseases including diabetes, high blood pressure, cancers, among others. They are able to improve the health of the body organs such as the heart, the kidneys, the liver, among other body organs. Carrots can be taken raw, you can chew them raw, they can be cooked with other vegetables, or they can be taken as salad. We should be taking carrots in all these three forms so that we are able to provide all these antioxidants to the body. Number 5, onions. Onions are low in calories and are loaded with different antioxidants including flavonoids by name quercetin, which can fight inflammation in the body and therefore preventing and lessening the symptoms of arthritis. Onions can be eaten raw as salad and they can be cooked with other vegetables. Number 6, green tea. According to research from Arthritis Foundation, green tea has a type of polyphenol with very strong anti-inflammatory properties which can fight and prevent arthritis. The polyphenol is an antioxidant by name apigallocatechin 3 gallate, that is EGCG, which is able to fight arthritis and improve the health of the body organs, preventing non-communicable diseases including hypertension and diabetes, among others. Number 7, ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. The anti-inflammatory properties in ginger function in the same way as the COX-2 inhibitors. The COX-2 inhibitors are drugs that treat inflammation and pain. Ginger can be taken raw, that is, you chew it raw, or it can be cooked with other foods like vegetables, or it can be boiled in tea or warm water and then you take it daily or regularly. Number 8, citrus fruits, which include oranges, lemons, among others. They are rich in vitamin C, among other antioxidants, which are able to fight inflammation in the body and therefore preventing arthritis, improving the health of the joints and other body parts, including the body organs such as the heart, the kidney, the liver, among others. The fruits improve the overall immune system of the body and therefore preventing other infections, including non-communicable diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and other non-communicable diseases. Number 9, avocados. Avocados are rich in oleic acid, anti-inflammatory monounsaturated fats, carotenoids, lutein, vitamin C, among other antioxidants. These compounds help in fighting inflammation in the body, preventing and reducing non-communicable diseases, including arthritis, high blood pressure, diabetes, among other non-communicable diseases. They assist in improving the health of the body organs, including the heart, the kidneys, the liver, the pancreas, among other body organs. Number 10, watermelon. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants and other compounds that are able to reduce inflammation. The antioxidants include carotenoid beta-cryptoxanthin, which is able to reduce the risk of rheumatoid arthritis. Watermelon has lycopene that's able to fight cancers, reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases including heart and kidney diseases. It has an amino acid by name citrulline. All these compounds are able to improve the health of the body organs, the blood vessels, and other parts of the body, therefore reducing the risk of developing chronic diseases. Watermelon can be taken as a juice or it can be chewed raw in our salad. Number 11, tomatoes have high amounts of lycopene and other antioxidants, including vitamins, which are able to reduce inflammation in the body and therefore preventing and managing arthritis. These antioxidants are able to reduce the risk of developing other non-communicable diseases, including hypertension, diabetes, different cancers, among other non-communicable diseases. Tomatoes can be chewed raw, they can be cooked, or can be taken as a juice. Number 12, turmeric. Turmeric has high amounts of curcumin, which is a compound that's able to fight inflammation in the body, reduce free radicals that can lead to inflammation, and therefore it is able to prevent, manage, and lessen the symptoms of arthritis. Turmeric can be taken regularly in warm water or milk. Number 13, grapefruits. Grapefruits have different antioxidants, including vitamins. They have minerals and fiber. They also have resveratrol, a compound that is able to fight inflammation and therefore preventing, managing, and able to lessen the symptoms of arthritis. Grapefruits can be chewed raw or sometimes they can be blended into a juice. The following foods and fats should be reduced or avoided when suffering from arthritis. Number 1, sugar and food products with added sugars. Number 2, salt and food products with added salts. Number 3, processed foods. Number 4, junk foods. And number 5, fats, which include saturated fats, which are found in meats, butter, and cheese. Omega-6 fatty acids, which are found in corn, in sunflower, safflower, soy, among other plant-made oils. These fats increase the risk of inflammation in the body and therefore worsen the symptoms of arthritis. The following are some of other ways of preventing and managing arthritis apart from food. Number 1, regular physical activities. These exercises include walking, cycling, swimming, among others. They improve the health of the body, reduce the bad cholesterol levels in the body, and help in improving blood circulation in the body. Number 2, managing a healthy body weight. Obesity or overweight is a risk factor to many non-communicable diseases, including hypertension, chronic diseases such as heart and kidney diseases, among other diseases. Obesity leads to increased inflammation in the body, which can lead to different types of arthritis. Number 3, protecting our bodies. We should try to avoid injuries to the joints and other parts of the body so that we are able to prevent and manage different types of arthritis. Please remember to subscribe, to share, and like for more information on how to prevent, manage, and control non-communicable diseases.